Hey guys, welcome to my channel ArtTube. I'm Ritu and आज के वीडियो में I will show you how to make this painting of Hanuman ji with poster colors. So let's get started. First I'm making sketch. Now I'm taking red color for the background. Okay, the background is done. Now I'm taking yellow color for the sun. Now I'm taking orange color and yellow chrome and mixing it together and applying it all over the face of Hanuman ji. And body. I'm also painting his hand with the same orange color. And now I'm taking yellow color and applying it on the high points of the face like this. I'm also making his eyes with yellow color. Now I'm taking brown color and mixing it with the same orange color and adding shadows like this. I'm also adding some details, as you can see. And with the same brown color, I'm adding some shadows here also. And मैं यहाँ भी shadow add कर रही हूँ. And with the black color, I'm painting his eyebrows and eyes and his hair. I'm sorry guys, I forgot to switch on the record button, so I missed that part. इसलिए मैं digitally आपको show कर रही हूँ. With the same orange color, I am painting his tail. And with the dark brown color, I am making the hair of tail. And with brown color, I am adding shadows like this. And for the bell, I am using orange color. And I am giving shadows with brown color. And with the mixture of white and yellow color, I am adding highlights like this. Now I am taking brown color to paint his beard. I'm mixing black color and brown color together and adding some shadows like this. And with the mixture of brown and white color, I'm adding some highlights like this. With black color, I'm adding some hair strands like this. With yellow color, I am painting his kundal and kartal. And I am also painting his ornaments with the same yellow color. Now I am mixing yellow color and white color to get the shade of off-white, and I am painting his vastra. With yellow ochre, I am adding some shadows like this. And with wet brush, I am blending it like this. Now I am mixing yellow ochre and brown color and making shadows like this. And with white color, I am adding highlights. With orange color, I am making some designs like this, and with brown color, I am adding shadows. I'm also adding some shadows on the kundal. Now I'm adding some highlights with white color. And I'm blending it with wet brush. I'm adding some highlights with white color. I have also added a Rudraksh mala on his hair bun, and with white and red color I have made his tika, and brown and black color से मैंने करताल को complete किया है. With the mixture of yellow and white color, I am adding some highlights like this. It's time to untape our painting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like this painting, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.